Castor Oil. Ultimate beauty care for skin, hair, nails, and more. From promoting radiant skin to nourishing lustrous hair, flawless nails, and everything in between, castor oil is a beauty powerhouse that deserves a place in your personal care regimen. In this video, we will uncover the many benefits of castor oil and how you can incorporate this remarkable natural oil into your daily routine. Age-Defying Oil. Castor oil is not just for the young, it's also for the young at heart. The antioxidants present in castor oil can help fight the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Regularly applying castor oil to your face can improve skin elasticity and promote a more youthful appearance. Say hello to a smoother and firmer complexion with the age-defying properties of castor oil. Tame frizzy hair. Frizzy hair can be a daily struggle, but castor oil can help you achieve sleek and tangle-free hair. Warm up a small amount of castor oil between your palms and apply it to the ends of your hair. The oil's moisturizing properties will help seal the cuticles and reduce frizz. For an intensive treatment, you can also apply castor oil to your scalp and leave it on for a few hours before shampooing. Nail nourishment. Weak and brittle nails can be a thing of the past with the help of castor oil. The moisturizing properties of this oil can improve the health and strength of your nails. Massage a small amount of castor oil into your cuticles and nails before bedtime. Over time, you'll notice stronger and healthier nails that are less prone to breakage. Acne be gone. Dealing with pesky breakouts? Castor oil might just be your new best friend. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the appearance of acne and prevent future flare-ups. Apply a small amount of castor oil to affected areas and leave it on overnight. With regular use, you'll notice a clearer and more radiant complexion. Protect your hairline. Constant styling, tight hairstyles, and friction can lead to hairline breakage. Castor oil can act as a protective barrier for your delicate hairline. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your fingertips and gently massage it along your hairline. The oil's nourishing properties will strengthen the hair follicles and help prevent hair loss in that area. Say goodbye to dry skin. Castor oil is a game changer when it comes to nourishing and hydrating your skin. Its thick consistency acts as an excellent moisturizer, locking in moisture and preventing water loss. Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face before bed and wake up to soft, supple skin in the morning. You can also mix it with your favorite moisturizer for an extra boost of hydration. Say goodbye to dandruff. Dealing with a dry, flaky scalp? Castor oil can help alleviate the symptoms of dandruff and restore the health of your scalp. Massage a mixture of castor oil and a few drops of tea tree oil onto your scalp. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of both oils work together to combat dandruff-causing microbes and soothe scalp irritation. Reduce the appearance of scars. Whether it's from acne, surgery, or injury, scars can be a source of self-consciousness. Castor oil can help fade the appearance of scars over time. Apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected area and gently massage it in. The oil's moisturizing and nourishing properties can promote skin regeneration and improve the texture and color of scars. Consistent use can lead to a noticeable reduction in scar visibility. Brow power. Thick, well-defined eyebrows are all the rage, and castor oil can help you achieve them naturally. Dip a clean mascara wand or a cotton swab into castor oil and gently brush it onto your eyebrows. The nourishing properties of castor oil can promote hair growth and give you fuller, thicker brows in no time. Make it a part of your nightly routine and watch your brows transform. Luscious lashes. Who needs mascara when you have castor oil? Applying a tiny amount of castor oil to your lashes can help condition and strengthen them. The rich nutrients in the oil can nourish the hair follicles, leading to longer and fuller lashes. Use a clean mascara wand to apply a thin layer of castor oil to your lashes before bed, and wake up to fluttery, gorgeous lashes. Kiss chapped lips goodbye. Dry, chapped lips are never pleasant, but castor oil can help restore their softness and suppleness. Before you go to bed, apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips and gently massage it in. Its moisturizing properties will hydrate your lips overnight, leaving them feeling smooth and nourished in the morning. You can also use castor oil as a base for your homemade lip balms. Natural makeup remover.
Tired of using harsh chemical makeup removers?
Castor oil can be a gentle and effective alternative. Simply apply a small amount of castor oil to a cotton pad or a soft cloth and gently wipe away your makeup. The oil's emollient properties will dissolve even stubborn waterproof makeup, leaving your skin clean and refreshed. Plus, it's a natural option that won't strip your skin of its natural oils.
Say goodbye to calluses. Rough, calloused feet can be uncomfortable and unsightly, but with the help of castor oil, you can soften and smoothen those rough patches. Before bed, soak your feet in warm water and scrub them gently with a pumice stone. Once dry, apply a generous amount of castor oil and put on a pair of cotton socks. Let the oil work its magic overnight and wake up to softer, rejuvenated feet.
Heel dry and cracked heels. Dry, cracked heels can be painful and uncomfortable, but with the help of castor oil, you can restore the softness and smoothness of your heels. Before bed, soak your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the skin. Pat them dry and apply a generous amount of castor oil to the affected areas. Put on a pair of clean socks and leave the oil to work overnight. The next morning, you'll wake up to noticeably softer and more supple heels.
Soothe sunburned skin. Spending too much time under the sun can leave your skin red, irritated, and painful. Castor oil can provide relief and aid in the healing process. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help calm the skin and reduce redness. Apply a generous amount of castor oil to the sunburned areas and gently massage it in. For added cooling effect, mix a few drops of peppermint or lavender essential oil with castor oil before applying.
While castor oil offers numerous beauty personal care benefits, it's essential to conduct a patch test before using it on your skin or hair, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Additionally, if you have any skin conditions or concerns, it's advisable to consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional before incorporating castor oil into your personal care routine. If you've learned a thing or two about the benefits of castor oil uses for your beauty and personal care, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on other videos.